Growing up in the South, yeah, it runs in my blood. It's something in the water mixed with the mud. We get a little wild way out down here. Chase a little shine with a bottle of beer. Looking for a good time, and that's about it. It's the way that it is when you live in the sticks. We raise a little hell, we make a lot of noise. Hey, y'all, we just some of them good old backwoods.
After party, after the football game, but Charlie already had that drink in my truck. They called it the beer store on wheels. Lordy, how many times on that back 40 do we sit and laugh until the morning, pouring cups up, throwing down, slamming them shots of funneling. Deep down in the country, with about 100 youngins running around having fun, hoping the law didn't come. We were living day to day, we just relaxed and played. That's us, that is the ways of a backwoods bar. Yeah, we drove around town till we had everyone around down to go to the river and drown all the problems with the bottle of Crown. We were sitting on a mound of rocks, grilling meat by the pounds, tops off, talking tough until we were found.
Growing up